And I will use the same connection for the fire resistance check. So how to obtain the results for fire resistance? It's pretty simple. All I need to do is to go to the project item settings, and I need to change the analysis type from whatever analysis is set by default, and I need to change it to fire resistance. And now I have two options how to run the fire resistance analysis. Either I can set the temperature manually. So in this case, I would use the user set from the drop-down menu. But let's say I really don't want to input all temperatures for all components manually. In this case, I'll select that I want to have the temperature calculated automatically by the software. And then all I need to do is just hit the calculate button. But before I do that, I need to set the corresponding fire resistant class. And how to do it? In the top ribbon, in the options section, I need to go to settings. On the left, I need to select fire design. And in the first section, fire curve, I need to set corresponding fire resistant class. So let's say I want to have fire resistance class R60. If I would want to have it differently, then I would need to select the corresponding fire resistant class from the drop-down menu. Okay, now all I need to do is to click the save button, and now I can run the analysis. And again, I will obtain the results pretty quickly. And from the iterative process, from the analysis, I can immediately recognize that there is something wrong with the model, and that the connection would probably not be able to handle such a high fire resistant class. So it would not be able to resist the effects of fire for whole 60 minutes. So maybe I can skip this part because it's clear that I won't obtain satisfying results, that the results won't be according to my needs. Okay, so I can see that, yeah, the analysis failed. And if I would go to check section, and if I would check the temperature, I would see, yeah, all temperature for corresponding component. And I can see that the highest temperature in the connection is 943 degrees of Celsius, which is really something what the connection is not able to handle. So what I need to do now, I need to go back to design, to settings, and either I need to decrease the fire resistance class and run the analysis again, or I can apply the fire protection. So in the fire design section, I'll select fire protection, and I'll click this checkbox, fire protection, and now I can modify the parameters of the fire protection, but in this case, I would want to have them as default. So I apply the fire protection. Again, I'll click save button, and I rerun the analysis. Now it looks much more convenient, and yeah, I can see that the results are really satisfying. And again, if I go to the check section and check the temperature, I can see again the temperature for each component in the connection. And everything is done automatically by the software. All you need to do is to just set the corresponding fire resistant class, and if necessary, apply the fire protection, and that's it.